guys, this is my review for the NCVI electric double breast pump. So I wanted to review this product because I was blown away at how great of a breast pump this is, especially for the price. So I wanted a electric breast pump, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money on one because I already had a wearable breast pump, and so I was trying to find something that was more affordable. And this thing blew my mind. So I want to show you some of the features that it has. It works like a regular breast pump, but it has a couple of features that are really awesome about it. So this little motor, you just charge up and then you can take it around with you. So here's your cords, and then here are your little bottles that you can put on, and then the different flange sizes, and you just connect it right here. And then I could take this around the house with me and I didn't have to be plugged into the wall. So that first and foremost was huge. I loved that this whole box comes, you get a lot of stuff in here. So you get the 2 bottles, and then you get multiple different sizes of these flanges, because if you are new to pumping, it is so important that these fit you correctly. Otherwise, you're not going to get a great suction and you're not going to get a great amount for your supply. So they come with multiple different sizes, and I mean multiple, and you can measure. It even gives you a little measuring guide to be able to measure your size, and then it matches to which one you should use. So easy and amazing that they include that, because otherwise you would have to buy that separately, or you would order one and it's not the right size and then you have to order a different one. Took the pain out of that, which I was so grateful for. So also comes with little bottle tops. So after you are done pumping, you can simply take the bottle off, you screw it off, screw on the bottle top, and you could feed your baby freshly pumped breast milk right after you pumped it, which is so nice. The other thing that I love about this is this motor is really impressive. So first things first, it's a mirror, which is kind of cool. And when you press and hold and you turn it on, it has a nice little display. I'll show you here. So the display is going to tell you how many minutes you've been pumping. It's a little tricky to see with the mirror, but it's going to show you how many minutes you've been pumping. And then this number shows you what setting you're on. So it can go all the way up. If you hit these plus sizes for the amount of suction you want, it goes all the way up to 9. You guys, that's quite a bit of suction that it can give you. The M, it's hard to see again, but there's a little M on there. The M is going to change the mode. There are different modes that you can do depending on what you want for that session. So there's different modes that you can do. One that is, the little manual is really nice because it breaks it all down for you. So the little modes depend on maybe your supply or your pump or what works best for your breast pumping. And so let's see what the little modes are. So you have, there's a stimulation mode, which is like to just get you going at the beginning. And then there is the, oh, there we go. The multi-tronic mode. There's a massage mode, a suck simulant mode, and then an express mode. So 4 different modes. This little manual is going to show you everything that you need, and it's going to break it all down for you. It also came with some breast milk storage bags, which was really, really nice, and some disposable nursing pads. So just really had a ton of little goodies in the box that I wasn't even expecting. So you guys are going to love this for the price. It is so, 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 so worth it. I loved this. I think you guys are going to love it too.